Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A53S. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Maps offline. In the beginning, let's enter Google Maps. Tap button in the right corner, or in case your app is not updated like mine, tap button in the left corner. Now select Offline Maps and select your own map. Adjust the area you want to download and tap Download. Now you have to wait a little bit and you can enter your map. Turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data and navigate offline in area you downloaded. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.